guys, Miss Charlie here with another makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be using the Singe Beauty Galactic Visitor. I also have the other palette, which is called the Agate Temptation. I did not get the newer palette. The color story just didn't scream out to me. I might still end up getting it because I do like supporting this particular YouTuber. This is a brand made by Miss Angelica Nickvist here on YouTube, Instagram, and I've been following her for many years, and she came out with her own brand, which is Singe Beauty. And I picked up these two palettes. These were her first two palettes. This was the first one. The Agate Temptation was the second one, and then she has the other one, something Hoot, that just came out. I also have all of her brushes. I used the sponge, and I've decluttered it because I used it for like a year, 10 months I think. That thing did not crack, it did not shred, it did not do anything for 10 months, but it was time for her to go. I also have the poof as well, Singe Beauty poof. I have that, and I have two of the blushes. I have a video of me hauling the things that I got, so I will put that below if you want to see them with swatches. I will also be doing swatches in this video of this palette as well, but that video has swatches of both palettes and the blushes. But I'm going to do a look with this today, and this is the packaging. It's so pretty, and it's the same packaging on the inside as well. It's not embossed or anything, it's very smooth. Same as the outer cover. And I have used this. I haven't used it on camera, but I have used it, and I really liked using it. And I like how each row is a look. So if you're like, I don't know what to do, what look, each row can be a look. And I'm using this row today, as these colors were calling to me today. So that's what I used. But it's very pretty. The mattes are very pigmented. The shimmers are very nice. This one right here I used in the inner corner beam. It is so pretty. It looks like it's nothing, but it's like a blue green dual chrome, so pretty. And then Infinity is like a deep teal. So every color in each row go together. I think I used this, and I forget which other color that I used, but I've already used the palette, and it's very nice. I like the quality of the Singe palettes that I have. So I still might get the other one just so I have the collection, because I am a collector. If I find out something, you know, is a series, it's kind of like when I buy books. If I find out a book is a series, I will buy the whole series. And this is technically a series because she's come out with her third palette. I enjoy her as a creator, and I want to support her, and I will probably end up getting the third palette as well. But this is the color story that we're going with today, these 4 colors here, and then we will go ahead and get into the swatches. And in the meantime, I want to thank you all for being here. Thanks for hanging out. Thank you for taking the time. I appreciate you all so very much for being here. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe here on YouTube and on Instagram. If you want me to do more looks with Singe, let me know that as well. And I thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video. But on to the swatches and the tutorial.